welcome back to my channel. My name is Annika and today we will open my miniature sweet package together. So let's start with a bottle of UV resin, the hard type. Here you see some ice cream cabochons, a plastic mold for tarts and cupcakes. I have some plans and you will see one day. Some UV resin in opaque red, UV resin in opaque black, a cute tiny macaron mold, another cute tiny mold for biscuits, some micro marbles. I will try to use them for the eyes for my creations, some whipped cream cabochons, some wing cabochons, another whipped cream cabochon, some glow-in-the-dark sprinkles. So I want to make some bottle charms. I love simple bottle charms, so perhaps you too. Some clay sweets for bottle charms too. And perhaps for some cupcakes, you will see. A silicone mold for fruits. I have some plans and ideas, I will work on it. Another bottle of UV resin, the thin type, that's better for open bezels. So that's the bag with the gifts. I love this bag. So some iridescent color in pink, a bag of cross stars in blue. They are cute, I love them. I wanted to order them with my next, but now. So here's some secure leaves. Another package with sweet clay sweets too. Some translucent iridescent glitters in different shapes. So heart, triangle, circle, moon, diamond, star, everything. A silicone mold for a bunny. A silicone mold for a cat. Another silicone mold for a dolphin. So you've seen I've got 3 silicone molds in my gifts. Then in every order you got a 10% coupon. So here's some open bezels. A horse bezel. Then a golden cat bezel. If you've seen on my Instagram account, I have that gotten in my first order in silver. And the diamond crown key I got in gold in my first order too. I posted it. And here I think that's a little star wand key. It's perfect for keychains. So then you will see here some mold maker. Then some UV resin in white, some UV resin in cream. So that was my order and you will see what I got. And I will do a tutorial, a little craft with my gifts. that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And until next time, bye!